Hey Joyriders, this is Frankie. I'm taking a joyride. Today I'm going to give a tour of my mini camper van, conversion van, my no build. Well, I do have a build bed. So we're going to give you, this is a Dodge Odyssey. So let me give you a mini tour. I'm going to do a better tour, but this is just for now. So let's start by going in here. Just a typical front deck. I may at some point take the passenger seat out. I haven't decided yet. This is an 8-passenger van, and I've taken out 3 of the seats, and I have my bed in here from my Dodge Caravan. And I've been sleeping on this bed right now, but it's just not a good fit for me. It can go long ways if I take the back seats out. But let me draw your attention to a few things. My cousin gave me these wonderful lights. Aren't they beautiful? It just like really makes the van look really nice. This sheet, this is just a temporary sheet. It's actually a piece of fabric. That mat I bought a long time ago and I love it. My laptop, I have a desk here where I can do my work. Candles, you know I love candles. You know I love sage sticks. Box Van D, who we originally got introduced to from the Bob Wells channel. I was on her channel and I won this very nice mug. I drink coffee out of it. Right now I have my sage stick in it. My aunt, and keep her in your thoughts as she's going through some things, she gave me that pillow Beyond Blessed for my 50th birthday. My cousin, she made me these 2 pillowcases. They're the kind of pillowcases that you can stuff with your clothes or whatever. And these were made out of my dresses. So I had like some summer dresses and she made it for me. I have my little Ozark Cool fan. What am I missing? Oh, here's the DVD player. I don't, you know, I'm not really a big TV watcher, but there's a way you can put Wi-Fi on here, your internet, and watch it. So I guess that's going to be cool. When I kept these seats in. Originally, I had folded these are stowaway seats. And originally, I had put the stowaway seats away. But I thought, I like the seats up. It kind of makes me feel like I'm in a limousine. I have my little desk. I have breakfast and all that. You know I love McDonald's coffee. This is some old coffee. My hand soap. My cousin gave me, this is a really good flashlight. If somebody comes up on me at night, you can kind of blind them because it's really bright. You can't see it now. So let's keep going. Oh, we got a sunroof. Let me, yeah, the sunroof. Let me, can you want me to move and get it? Okay. All right, let's go. So the sunroof, you open it like this and then you go, I guess I got to start the car. What am I doing? Let me just start the car. I haven't figured this car out. That's one of the things I want to say about this car. There's too many technical things. So there's the sunroof. And also it tilts. So for instance, if I want to tilt it, let's see how you tilt it. I don't quite know. I got to figure out this car. But anyway, it does tilt up if I didn't want to have it fully open. And then you just close this. This is where I can keep my little sunglasses. So I think that's nice. This is standard when I'm backing up. You can see when I'm backing up. Just all standard stuff. My cousin, I have masks everywhere because my cousin makes these masks. She gave me this little cooler bag for my drinks. You put ice in it. It keeps your drinks nice and cool. Again, I'm not sure at this point if I'll take the passenger seat out. These are really nice seats. Unlike with my Dodge, I got rid of the seats. I doubt that I'll do that this time. A lot of storage space up here, even though this little my cousin got me this like cooler bag, and it's nice because you can put ice in it and keep your nice cold drinks, everything really cold in drinks. Keep a cup here, plenty cup holders, plenty of electricity gadgets to plug in your phone, your laptop. My cousin makes these beautiful masks, and so I just keep a couple of masks here. I also keep some on my steering wheel. Under the bed, let's go back in the back and let's get that door open. Let's get out and get that door. We're gonna do this. So that door, sliding door, you see it has screens on it. Here's the bed. It's a very comfortable bed, but unfortunately it's just too big. So I'm probably going to have to get something from IKEA to lay it across to make that my bed. Candles, I love candles. Box Van D, thank you very much for the mug. I got sage in it, but I drink my coffee out of it in the morning. The lights, where are the lights? Oh yeah, the back What is it? Oh yeah, what button is that? Oh yeah, like this is like a plug here, and we'll turn this light off, this flashlight here. And wait a second, this is a button that works the lights. I'm not gonna mess with it because it'll.
You press the button right on the.
What button?
On the switch.
Okay, you see how the lights are working? Really pretty lights. It's so pretty at night. If it feels like really good at night, it's an amazing. Just look at that lights, looking up at the stars. It's a really good feeling. Let's do the trunk. You got the fan and everything. Okay, let's do the trunk. Yeah. Just started back up. Don't let tags. I mean, but I edit this stuff. I don't want to do a lot of editing, but I do know how to do. It's a lot. Oh, no, it's not. So, here's the trunk. Now, if she comes in deeper, ignore how the stuff is kind of jammed in. I'm working through on becoming a minimalist, but if you come in closer, it's a lot of storage. I even have storage under this storage. So I have 3 crates. One, this has my clothing, this has my food, and this just has miscellaneous things. This is a cooler bag. The cooler bag doesn't work very well, so I just store dry foods in it. I don't use my bucket for, you know what I don't use my bucket for, so I just store things in it. Again, this stuff is just, I'm going through it, and I'm going through an organization process. I want to show this really fast. This box, I'm going to be doing a review on some products. A very nice company sent me some products, and I'm going to be doing some reviews, so I'll save that for later. If you all want to send me stickers, if you're a Vanlifer, Box Van D sent me a sticker, and it's really, really cool. So I figured I would put stickers back here. I don't want to put stickers up there, but I will put them all through here because Vanlife, right up here, my welcome sign, and that's kind of like the attitude I like to keep. Everybody's welcome. I enjoy meeting people, taking an adventure. I'm a busy person. I bought this car and now I work, you know, so we're gonna just end this, but this is what I've done for now. This is just a temporary tour and we'll get it together. Also, wait a minute, this is the most important thing. This here. My son used to really like the Renaissance festivals, and he would go all the time and collect swords. But if you come for me, if you come for your girl will handle you.
Cut you.
I'll cut you. Take the joy route. This is Frankie.